Simon the Writer, and we're here for a special episode of Seeing Red Yaad Reviews. The legend Ruud van Nistelrooy is here, and we'll be asking him a few questions. Look forward to it. This is Simon the Writer here with another episode of Seeing Red Yaad Reviews. I'm here with the 3-time scoring champion for the Champions League, Ruud van Nistelrooy. How are you doing today?
Very good, thank you. Great to be here.
Nice. First question. How has your experience in Jamaica been so far?
It's been great. I'm learning a lot about the Jamaican language, and I'm practicing that quite a bit. So yeah.
Want to give us a few words?
Wagwan, Wagwan, Jamaica, and also Medea. Medea. I need to practice Medea.
Nice. Well, another question that I wanted to ask you. We know that you did a little clinic this morning with some of the footballers. How do you feel about the local players and the youth talent in Jamaica?
Well, the boys that I was training today, I mean, there were some very good players in there, and I think they really handled the instructions well, and they're very motivated. And I think those are two key ingredients for young players to develop. So physically they were also very strong and quick, and so I think there's a lot of potential here.
Very good. What is your best and worst Champions League memory?
The worst, let's start with that. Get that out of the way. Losing the semi-final. The only semi-final I've played it was against Bayer Leverkusen. And at home at Old Trafford we drew 2-2, and away we drew 1-1, so we lost on away goal to miss out on a final against Real Madrid, who later beat Leverkusen with the Zidane wonder goal with the left foot, the volley. Exactly. So that was a big blow. Obviously, a dream to win the Champions League. It was never given to me, but no regrets.
But now you're here to tour it.
Exactly. Now I'm here to lift it.
To lift it.
And that would be great.
So best memory?
The best memory. Well, as a child, I dreamt of playing in the Champions League just to hear the tune. Just to walk out and then So when I walked out and for example in Old Trafford or in Bernabeu or in PSV in the Philips Stadium, it's just living the dream, and it was really special.
Can you tell us just a little bit more about this tour? Why is the Champions League here in Jamaica, and why is it touring?
Well, it's important that there's a lot of football fans in Jamaica, fans who follow the Champions League, and it's a great opportunity for them that the trophy comes to Jamaica, to appreciate their support over the years. And yeah, lucky enough, I sort of belong to the trophy a little bit in this occasion, and I'm able to be part of this celebration of the nicest competition in football, I think.
And which team do you think we support the most in Jamaica?
I think Manchester United.
I'm a Liverpool fan.
Thanks for the interview.
Alright, I just want to one shout out to Jussbuss TV, Seeing Red.
Big up Jussbuss TV.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
That was Ruud van Nistelrooy, 3-time Champions League scorer, giving us a great interview here for the Heineken Champion the Trophy Tour. This is Simon the Writer signing out for Seeing Red Yaad Reviews.